And once again, back. I do not have the housing case for the bike, so I'm just holding it on my hand. It's a bit shaky, but I think it's still okay. I think there's a steep slope ahead. I need to adjust the camera. Okay, let's go. Shit, it suddenly started shaking. The bike suddenly started shaking. Shit. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh god. Good.
I think
Water wash down. What happened?
it suddenly started shaking. I mean, I couldn't control it. I tried,
Because it was too fast there.
but I tried putting the brake.
Wash
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, your fault.
Shit. I even tried applying the brakes, but
It's not working.
yeah, I'm like, it's wobbling.
Oh my god. And look, it tore your...
After you wear long pants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it up first. I did not bring anything.
It's okay. It's okay.
I have to wash it.
It's okay.
Let me get it up.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
My water bottle already. Just the inside now. Okay, screen.